Okay, now uqedile register i-app yakho, you are good, you understand what is it that you're going to invest in, everything. Now let's log in and make our first deposit. Okay, once you are inside, you want to go to my funds, find your account, and then you are going to choose between two accounts, which is EasyEquities ZA, which allows you to invest in everything within the EasyEquity platform, and TFSA account, which is a tax-free savings account, which allow you to invest only in two things, which is the unit trusts and ETFs, which are exchange traded funds. If you want to learn more about ETFs and everything, I'll put the video here so that you get a better understanding on what ETFs are. And then now, if you already chose, okay, I want to go with TFSA, you click TFSA, which is your TFSA account, which allows you also to invest up to 36,000 annually. You don't go beyond that. If you do, you'll be taxed. That's the nice thing about a TFSA, a tax-free savings account. You can only invest up to 36,000, and if you stay within that rule, everything that you're going to be making within the account layer, it's not going to be taxed. So yeah, the most important thing is just to take note of that. And then now let's make our deposit. So if you are using ABSA, if you're going to be making a deposit from an ABSA account, please also select an ABSA account here. If you're going to be using an FNB account to make the deposit, also select FNB here. That way it makes the process even much easier, because imali yakho you reflector immediately. For me, I use FNB, so I will choose FNB. Copy these bank details as they are when you are making your deposit. So you go to your app, you come back here, you copy recipient name, First World Trader, which is our recipient name, and then you come back here, you choose what is it. It's an FNB account. It's an FNB account, and then you come back here. Don't try to check with the 6222 and come back and say 033. No, just copy so that you don't make a mistake. Ufake inamba le wrong and imali yakho iye enzaweni le wrong. Come back here. Now this is a very, very important detail. This is a personalized reference that tells EasyEquity that, hey guys, ngifake imali, please direct it to my EasyEquities ZA account or to my tax-free savings account. If you make a deposit and you don't include this reference, your money won't reflect a banking lakho. It will go to a wrong place and it will be very difficult to withdraw back. So please make sure to put this reference when you're making every time I went a deposit. The nice thing is, once you add someone as a reference, as a beneficiary in your account, kumele azadelethwe nguwe. Other than that, akamana tiphumele. So when you just come back and put what amount do you want to pay that reference, that beneficiary yakho. So we are going to paste. I'm going to copy this and come back here. Come back here. I love to also paste it here because it's easy to confuse the two. Ufake elgama lel wrong la instead of on the other place. So just put it like this, and then if you want them to send you a proof of payment, you can add it here. You can add your email so that you can receive a proof of payment every time you make this payment. For me, it won't allow me to add this recipient because already it exists in my platform. So go ahead, add this on your app as a beneficiary in your bank account. Then you can start making payments from there. I hope you got a lot of value from this, and if you still have questions, please make sure to drop them in the comment section. I'd really appreciate that. I'm trying to answer as many questions because some of you guys do have questions around how do I make deposit, how do I sell, how do I withdraw imali. If you still have questions with regards to how do you go about making a deposit inside your EasyEquity account, drop it in the comment section and I'll make sure to attend to it. Thank you guys. Please make sure to like this video, share any feedback that you think might help with this series, because we are doing a whole series on EasyEquity, addressing most of the questions that you have and some of the information that I've learned in my journey as an investor. So please make sure to also watch out for that by subscribing so that you don't miss any content when I go live. See you on the next one, guys. Thank you so much. Cheers.